adding your glitter at your cuticle and fading down the nail. I started with fine glitter, then used a chunky glitter over the top for better coverage. Next, add your white and feather down the nail. I used a softer white so covering the blend would be easier. Then place a bead over the joint and blend down the nail like a regular ombre. Add more acrylic where needed. By capping in clear and filing into shape. Finished look at the end of the video. If you have any tutorials you would like, let me know. Gotta try and refrain, 'cause I'm so involved and it's making you nauseous. Work in thinner layers. It will ensure your nail isn't bulky.